Hello, I'm Sasha of Sasha Makes Cards, and today I'm here with Chibitronics, sharing how I made this super cute little Doggie Flight scene light-up card. Now for this card, I used the Doggie Flight stamp set from Whimsy Stamps for the adorable dog image with holding the little kite. For the clouds, I used the cloudy stencil from Launchpad, and then for the blue sky, I used Salty Ocean Distress Oxide ink. To get started, I first like to use a hole punch to punch out the hole onto my finished card front where the LED sticker is going to shine through. Now for this card, I decided to make the dog's bright red nose light up. It kind of reminds me a little bit of Rudolph, kind of a little bit Christmas, but I think it's really cute. And he's kind of lighting up the way with his bright red nose like Rudolph would. After punching the hole, I can then start to sketch out the circuit design onto my card base. For this, I'm using a pencil and the Chibitronics craft stencil to build a circuit so that when I go to actually build it, I know everything will work and I have it fully planned out so it's a lot easier to follow. I use a pencil to indicate where the LED sticker will go as well as where the push here button will go. And then from here, I can use the stencil to help me draw lines for where the conductive fabric tape will be placed, as well as where I'm going to put my Launchpad battery. Now on the stencil that I have here, the new Launchpad battery design is not actually included on this stencil. My workaround for this is to use the battery outline that is included, indicate where I want to put the battery, and then trace around the new Launchpad battery to help me figure out exactly where the positive and negative sides of the battery will be. This makes it a bit easier when I am actually putting down the conductive fabric tape to build my circuit. To create the button for my circuit, I made sure to leave a small break in the conductive fabric tape. When sketching this out, of course, I just skipped over with my pencil and continued drawing the line. When I'm laying down the conductive fabric tape, this translates really well. Just cut the conductive fabric tape and then continue it on, leaving that little break. That way we can make a little tab with conductive fabric tape on it that will act as the push here button for the card. After the circuit has been sketched, it's very easy to follow the guideline to create it for yourself and build your circuit. When creating the break in the circuit for the push here button, it does not matter which side of the circuit you put it on, whether this is the positive side or the negative side. I always put mine on whichever side works best for the design I have created. For this card, I decided to use the color LED stickers, specifically the red one, of course to match with the bright red nose that the dog has on the card. Once I have placed the LED sticker, the conductive fabric tape, and the Launchpad battery onto my circuit, it is time to make the button, which will actually turn on the circuit. Now, as I already mentioned, how I do this is I take a scrap piece of white cardstock, trim a little piece off, and then cover the one side in conductive fabric tape. That way, when you push down on the tab, it will connect the gap in the circuit and turn on the LED sticker. At the end of this video, there will be a fully labeled picture of the circuit I created for your own personal reference. To finish off the card, place foam tape going around the entire perimeter of your card base. For demonstration purposes, I have gaps in my foam tape. However, if you are giving your card to somebody, you would want to make sure to do the foam tape going around the entire perimeter. Then I like to add some liquid adhesive glue on top of the foam tape to give me a little bit of float time when putting on my card front. And that is the completed card project. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to check out the description for a complete list of the Chibitronics products I used to create this card, as well as links to both my social media and the Chibitronics social media. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.